Okay, so my relationship with this car goes back to 2016. We had picked this car up on our way home from the Japanese Classic Car Show on our way back to Salt Lake City. I had met Daniel Song, and he had actually started this project on his own. And he had already sourced the car himself, he had already taken the car down, he already had the car repainted. That's where we came along. Daniel just needed some help finishing up the project. So we first actually took on this build before the TV show was signed. So we were already, let's call it maybe a quarter of a way through the build. So sometimes we had to kind of go back a little bit and undo a few things to give it sort of that starting point that they wanted to see. You want to see a transformation. From the drivetrain, we started with the 2.8 liter high compression piston, street cam, full exhaust system on the car, 5-speed, later 5-speed transmission. And then we wanted the car to handle, look good, drive well.